I got the preliminary welding done on the driver's side. Got the back half in, front half. Have a little bit of fire under the cab, but I have a fire extinguisher handy. I got the two halves connected. I still have to put the bottom one on. I have to take a little break. I'll clean up the weld and then I'll touch up any spots that I need to touch up with the welder. I'm sure I'll have to touch up in this area. And then I'll try to weld, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I'll try to weld up that side on the inside. Well, that's how far I am now. The other side, I already have it painted. This side, I'll just finish cleaning it up, paint it, and then I'll clean the gas tank, coat that. These rivets did not want to pop out, and in fact, this thing got pushed down. So I'm going to have to drill those out and then put bolts and bring that back up.